Hey there guys, I'm going to try to take this Viro, I don't know if you can see that or not, say Viro lock. One of the locks that JJ80 had sent me. You see it has a lot of play in the plug, a lot of nasty stuff in there. Let's see if we can start picking on it. Here's the top of the keyway. Let's see here. Pin 1, pin 2, and then the faucet. Got pin 2. Pin 2 is set. Okay, pin 4. Get no feedback of nothing. I thought I said something. Reset up. In the back of the faucet, I had overset something. Pin 3 feels like. Okay, got him set. Pin 4. A really deep faucet, if you can see that or not. Use this Peterson gem. Pin 3 feels like. Oh. Okay. A really deep faucet. Tension wrench don't want to stay there. Got pin 1. Okay. And there we go. It's open. Let's see if I can adjust the camera. Let's see it better. I don't have a key for this Viro. See if I can open it up without making a mess. I'm going to put the plug forward. There we go. You see it has all 5 pins. It's counter milled the chamber 1, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, pin 1. Nasty looking pins. Let me pull this up a little bit. Okay, pin 1. If you can see that or not, it's serrated at the top of the pin. I don't even think this is a this is not even a key pin. Looks like a driver pin, if you can see that or not. Very, very deep cut. And let's see here, pin 3 is about like pin 2. Pin 4. You see that? Anyway, we'll do the driver pins now. Okay, now this pin looks like key pin 2. Really, really, really deep cut spool. Well, this is a really, really long spool. Dropping stuff. Seems like a standard spool. Looks like another standard spool. Oh. And another nasty. I'm not for sure what that is, but looks like a spool homemade pin. Very nice pins. And that's the Viro cylinder lock. Anyway, thanks JJ80 for the lock, and thanks guys for watching.